Hello people, so I am back with my another video of strawberry. Here I am making a strawberry gift box, kind of gift box. For that, here I am taking a red colored square paper and to fold it horizontally, vertically and diagonally from both sides, and cutting it in the shape of a leaf and making a hole with the help of scissors. Now making strawberry seeds. Here I'm using black pen and you can use any other pen like yellow or golden. Now I'm gluing it like this. After that I will insert the wool in every hole. Here I'm using a green color wool. You can use any thread of green color. After inserting, it will give you a shape of a box. I mean, you can put anything like any gift. Here I am putting a bracelet and will close the strawberry by pulling the threads and will tie a knot. After that I am taking up green color paper in a square shape and folded it and also cut it in a leaf shape and making a hole in the middle by cutting the end. After opening it, it will look like this, and now I'm inserting the wool in it and will make a bow. And here your cute strawberries are ready, which is so adorable. Here I made 3 strawberries. Now it's time to see what's inside. Let's open together. Let's see what's in the first strawberry. Here is a ring. Let's wear it. Before opening the other, if you like this, then do like, share, comment, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as well. So let's see what's inside. It's a bracelet. Bye bye till the next video. Here are some pictures.